biggest problem is this one.
The girl, whose name is Ada, jumped from here.
Ada, okay.
Ada, because she was, I don't know, haunted by
Ghosts?
military force. So she jumped from here and she
Survived?
survived the first time. And then she went up again and she did it again. You know, it's like a game.
And then?
First time I survived, let's try a second time. And she died. Very clever. We are here, going there, and doing this. This is mostly what we are gonna do tonight. Today we are not alone, because who is with us? Show yourself!
Show yourself!
Wow!
Ciao! Today we are responsible for the plan.
Yes.
So today we
schedule,
just
so
follow you.
We are gonna get lost in the woods and get exhausted and call an helicopter.
Perfect. Someone
But
is
it's
running.
perfectly safe.
Good.
The beginning of an horror movie. There is an horror movie in the woods.
So explain.
Serious face.
Allora, facciamo i seri. Where are we going today?
Sacra di San Michele.
Oh.
Via Mortera.
Yeah, what? And this voice, sexy voice.
Sexy voice is because of Mortera, because
Because
it's
of
serious name
Uh-huh.
and there's a lot of respect.
It's okay. I wanted to say that we are almost there. Let's say this spot here is like the last stop before arriving at Sacra di San Michele.
And we show it.
Yes, right here. So we will be arriving in next 10 minutes. Can we do it next 10 minutes?
No. If we run, are we gonna run?
You will. I have
For me, are
longer
we
legs.
so gonna run right now?
Okay, let's go. Show it one more time.
Where is it?
No, it's on my side. Yes.
La. Again, I was covering it.
Of course.
They say.
Did you like this place?
Yeah.
You have been here before?
Yes, when I was a child.
So you were
Oh, a child, a
something?
teenager.
You're still a teenager.
No. I'm a Michigan.
To go down, we chose a second path, which has started with a very difficult slope down. Yes, I was almost catching Ste because I wanted to save his life. He was the one in difficulty. I was perfectly fine. Anyway, we passed the difficult part and descending slowly. Everything is fine.
You are cutting your head as well.
I'm still beautiful AF. He's cute, normal. And things are like that. This is mine.
Dipende ancora più sveglio.
Dici sempre che bisogna firmare mentre...
Si sa usare la fisheye con questa fisheye cosa esce?
Guarda come
See you in the next video.
Bye bye!
Ciao!